Let me show you this battery tender plus. It's the 1.25 amp 12 volt. It's good for deep cell, AGM, and even regular standard car batteries and ATV style batteries. I've got it plugged in right now and hooked up with the terminals on a deep cell marine battery. And you can see it's solid red. That means it's charging. If I unplug it real quick, one of them off of there, it'll go blinking. That means it's not getting a proper signal. And that's also what'll happen if the battery is like completely dead. And when it goes from 0 to 80%, these will alternate blinking. When it goes to full charge, it'll be a solid green down here. And this one's great because it does have a really, really long cord. So if you're charging it in the car with one of these, because it comes with this as well, I'm using the terminals, but this goes straight to the battery, and you can run that pigtail straight to your tender. You can do that and run the cord super long. I zip tie mine because I just do it right against that plug there. That's where I charge all my batteries. But this thing has been great for me. It keeps batteries maintained all winter long if you need it to. And I just top them off kind of at the beginning of the season. This one right here, that's the game changer. I wouldn't go with a no-name brand. I'd go with the most trusted one. That one, battery tender. That's what everybody calls them.